In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to delete all your ringtones from iPhone without iTunes. Hello friends, to delete ringtones from your iPhone, the first thing you need is to have iOS 13 installed on your iPhone. I'm on iOS 13 public beta and this is working perfectly fine. So you want to launch Settings, select Sounds and Haptics, select Ringtone, and now you want to swipe left on the ringtone you want to delete. This should reveal this delete button. Hit this delete button and there you go. Your ringtone should be deleted right away. This will delete all your old ringtones, new ringtones, ringtones made using iTunes, ringtones made using GarageBand and everything. We have been waiting for this since years and finally it is available. So now go ahead and delete all your ringtones from iPhone. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to the channel for future videos. I am Vikas signing off for the day. Thank you so much for watching.